Hey there, and welcome back to Byte-Sized Computer Science. I'm your host, Ipsa, and this is episode 9. Today's topic is super cool. We're going to be talking about robots, drones, and amazing machines, and how computer science makes them all work. Have you ever wondered, how do robots know what to do? And do self-driving cars actually drive by themselves? Then get ready, because today we're diving into the awesome world where computer science meets robotics. So let's start with the basics. What is robotics? Well, it's basically about building machines that can sense things, think, and do stuff, sometimes all on their own. These machines might walk, fly, or even swim underwater. Well, here's where computer science comes in. Robots need brains, and of course they don't have real brains like humans or animals, so we give them code instead. Computer science is what helps robots make decisions, follow instructions, and even learn from their mistakes using AI. Think of it like this. A robot without computer science is just like a toy or an object that sits there, but with computer science, it can become a super smart helper. So let's look into some examples. The first one is drones for search and rescue. Picture this. Someone is lost in the forest. It's getting dark and it would take people hours to search on foot. But here's where computer science and robotics saves the day. A drone, which is powered by computer code and sensors, is able to fly above the trees. It can also scan the ground, avoid crashing into branches, and recognize shapes that look like people. These drones can then send pictures and GPS locations to human rescuers in real time. So it's like having a robot helper that's up in the sky. Another example of robotics and computer science are robot pets. You may have wanted a pet before, and your parents might have said it's too much work or too much responsibility. Well, guess what? Computer scientists have just made robot pets, like dogs that bark, wag their tails, and even learn tricks. One popular robot dog can learn your voice and respond to its name, and it's programmed with artificial intelligence, or AI, which helps it learn from how you play with it. If you're interested more on how AI works, you can check out our previous episode on that. Well, back to robot pets. With them, you don't have to feed them, there's no mess, and it's just a lot of fun. Of course, it's not quite as lifelike as a real dog, but still, this shows how AI can make machines more interactive and more human-like. The last machine we're going to talk about today are self-driving cars. They might seem like right out of the future, but they've been developed starting from a few years back. So self-driving cars use computer science to watch the road with cameras and sensors, read signs and traffic lights, and avoid bumping into other people and cars, and decide when to turn, stop, or change lanes. It's kind of like a video game, but the car is playing it in real life. And cars don't get tired or distracted like humans do, as long as their code is good and their sensors as working. So this may help to reduce crashes as long as they're programmed correctly. But they also need to deal with tricky situations like construction zones or animals and children running into the road. That's why computer scientists are constantly testing and improving the code to make them safer. So, what did we cover today about robots, drones, and cool machines? Well, one important thing is that robots need computer science to think and move, and the code is basically their brain. And so, rescue drones can help save lives in emergencies, and robot pets are fun examples of how machines can sort of have a personality using AI. And self-driving cars show how smart machines are changing the world. With computer science and robotics, there's endless possibilities. So if you like building things, solving puzzles, or imagining futuristic gadgets. This could totally be your thing someday. If you're interested in doing robotics, check out some popular programs like VEX, FTC, and FRC. Well, that's it for this episode of Byte-Sized Computer Science. If you had fun learning about robot brains and flying rescue bots, don't forget to share this episode, leave a review, or tell a friend. Our next episode, number 10, will be the last episode of this computer science series, but there will be more STEM-related series coming soon. And remember, bite-sized learning leads to big-time thinking. I'll see you next time on Byte-Sized.